end of the season. The net will be coming off shortly. This beach actually is going to run year-round. So net's going to come off. We're going to make sure the water levels get in here. Going to clean all the needles, get everything cleaned up in here. Why, yes, she's all set for Christmas. No, that's my truck. But she actually has reindeer. She's got penguins. She's got little kitty cats. She's got snowmen. She's got everything. We're going to get this cleaned up. The features in their back are being fixed right now. Net's off. Everything's been cleaned up. All the leaves and needles are out. We're not going to do anything because it's going to stay running. We'll be back to check on this next month. If you can even try and hear me, it is so loud here today. We've got the gardeners over here blowing, cleaning this out. We're here to actually do a cleaning on this pond before we net it. Same time, I've got the guys with their industrial pump going over here, 2 holding tanks going, guys back there cleaning out IV, trying to get all this done, but it is nuts, and no one can hear anything. Nice and clean. Drained down, power washed. Picking out all the remaining garbage and debris out of it. I'm gonna get this filled back up. Alright, and like that, we are filling this sucker back up. We're gonna get this thing back up and running. We're gonna get the fish back in. We're gonna do some treatments for some of the fish in there that have a bacteria that we're gonna work on. But again, this thing filled up, it's gonna fill quick because she's got great water pressure. Doesn't look it, but they made serious progress. In a couple hours, they got this whole area cleaned out. We've still got, I'll say, about a third of it left to clear out. We're going to bring the dump truck here to get this all loaded up in the morning and continue taking the rest of this out. Getting ready to do some medicine dosing for these fish that have a bacterial infection. So let's get this done for them. Make them happy. We're going to move all these guys back in to their home and count them up. Do one last check to make sure there's no other issues they got. We're going to take care of these. Pond is up and running. All the fish are back in. We've dosed it with nitro. That is that green color. This is to help the fish with the bacteria that they have. They've been fed with some medicated food. They're gonna hang out in here and we'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna net it and then we'll get this thing all set for the winter as we continue to take care of medication for them for the next couple of weeks. Pond is netted, fish are fed, we've been medicated, and we're gonna relax for the next couple of weeks.